This is our smart Andon tower device, where you can see the different buttons, and every button has specific meaning: running, fold, maintenance, or idle. Right now the machine is in a maintenance or idle state. You can see the yellow light is on for the tower. Similarly, you can see machine is under the maintenance, idle, or machine name. So from last 2 minutes, on the dashboard you can see the status. From the last 2 minutes the machine is in the status. On the other side, the email is triggered by system automatically. The registered operator can see, the maintenance guy can see this ticket. They click out and they get the complete detail. They can accept the ticket, they can decline the ticket, and from the escalation chart there are 4 levels of escalation designed in the system. So it's a configurable. We can change the person. Then you can get the complete timeline information from there when the ticket is actually created. So it's initially it reached to the level 1 person, and there will be a comment if you want to put any comment over there. If there is any part shortage or maintenance required for this particular ticket, that can be recorded in the ticket. So let's accept the ticket. Once you accept it, the status will be changed, and you can see in the timeline there are 2 different logs now. Initially it was 2, 1, now is 2. So status is changed to accepted. So it shows the timestamp when exactly the ticket was accepted by a particular person. After that, you want to start the workflow. So click on the start. Whenever you want to start working on that particular ticket, you can start the ticket, so the time can be recorded exactly. Now you can see the status of the ticket is in progress, ongoing. There's again that the status changed from accepted to in progress, ongoing. We have recorded all the time, different times, and when exactly this status is changed for that particular ticket. To that time when it is accepted. Now the status is ongoing. So the total time is the 4 minutes. Again, the next section is if you have completed all the work, you can mark as resolved. Or if you want to pause the ticket, for example, if you are going somewhere and you are not currently working on that particular ticket, you can pause it, because the same time will not be recorded as the time you are working on that particular ticket. So it will be lapsed out, but it will be counted into the ticket as a downtime, but not exactly the work time that you have spent on to fix that issue. So the status again, if you want the status come back to the accepted, now you can resume the ticket by clicking that one. So it will just change the status. Once you finish the work, you can complete the ticket marking as a close. You can put your final comments over there, and apart from that, there is an option to add on anything. If you feel while working on the machine, anything that you want to note, any maintenance work required in the machine in coming days, so you can put the part number, you can give the description, and set the schedule for the next maintenance task. So this is something additional feature for this one. You can resolve the ticket. Yeah, so now you can notice that the ticket has been resolved. From its total time spent on the ticket is downtime ticket is 6 minutes. In the timeline we can see the different status of all the different activities we have performed to close this ticket. So on the right hand side there is a summary. So yes, once you resolved, you want to close the ticket. Yes, I want to close. You can close the ticket. Now the ticket has been successfully completely closed from the system. So in the timeline, you can notice that from the 1 it's moved to the 7. Now the operator is going to change the status from yellow to green. We can notice that okay, right now is the machine is looking in the idle state. Now it moved to from that state, and if we change the status to running, the tower is green light. Here we can see the new machine is added into the running state. So welding machine is moved to running state from last 0 minutes. It means just recently we have changed the state of the machine. And you can see on the devices, so this will also give you the real view of the different Andon towers in the production line. The machine status is green. We can see the green here, and similarly you can see the green over there and on the TV screen as well. So it's 1 minute now. So